Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny e-commerce Swift UI. Inside today I need to see this here the second variant of the home screens UI. I need to develop here. So need to look like this UI I need to developing here. First of all, so need to making here the new screens inside the this course, and I have already today needed image. We need to put inside the set folders. Need to run here. Now we need to go inside here the view, select here the home, and we need to create here the new file from the template. Select here, and then after select this here the Swift UI view, and we need to give this here the name of the home tab to screen like this. Name need to creating here. Already need to screen tab one need to develop, so need to copy and paste for this here the code for the this UI. Now like here, and we need to paste this here or replace with here this codes like here and show like this here. Now need to change this here the sets. Need to give this here the b1 assets. Need to change here like here. We need to going here the big b1 like this. Need to showing here for this UI for the screens. Need to like this sets here. Now this is the done. Need to remove here this ones, no needs now these buttons. Need to clean here like here. Change this here the titles straight cloths, and we need to set here the font size as a 30 45. Now display goods maybe 14 is good. Similar to UI need to put here. Now need to increase this here the paddings. First of all, so need to this item cells. Now need to go jump definitions. Need to set here the space. Now padding top one like this sets here, and need to making here the padding every place. Now showing now goods for this UI. Now set it here, and we need to go tab 2 again. So need to copy this line of codes, and we need to paste this here, and now need to change this here the cells, and subtitles need to also change here. Super summer sale like we need to set this here, and we need to show here applicated here. Now we need to change here the cells inside. We need to showing like here the percentage of the offers. We need to showing here. Also need to put this here the favorite buttons. We need to put this here the favorite buttons inside these cells. Now need to go here these cells, go definitions, and make sure this cells item width need to provide this here the frame for the easy to drawing here. Give this here the width. You need to set here the 150 and height like here's 22. Like so need to setting here for this UI. Need to configure here. Now we need to make sure we need to draw here this here the this image operators. Set here the state is offer. Set here the bool. By default need to now set here the true false like here's. Now is offer. Then we need to show here the offer value. 20, and also need to change this here the color is whopper. Then need to set this here the color primary app colors like this. Apply here. I need to set here true like this, showing here reflect here done. And now making here these parts, we need to draw here the find out this stack, create here the Z stack like here. Need to cut this line of code, paste here, and we need to make here the buttons of the favorite icons. Need to creating here the also make sure so need to set here the alignment. Leading top lady, maybe yes, this one right. Make here the button action button, create here the icons resource system name. Need to set here the art. You need to paste here heart like here. We need to show creating here the paddings. We need to set here the 8, and now this button inside need to set here the background color white. Then after corner radius, we need to set here the radius as a 20. Set here the shadow. We need to set here the 2. Show like here, and make sure set here the frame width 30, height 30. Like here, so need to set this here. Next right, like here, and another padding. Top. We need to set here the 150. Increase here 160. Show like here for this UI. Show like these buttons, and foreground style, color, placeholder. Likes. Now this is are the done here and look good for this UI. Need to showing here and setting this data. Now need to go here, and this item inside we need to set this here the is offers. Set here the true. And jump. Need to set here the pots. Now this is the displaying goods for this UI, and every place you need to place here, and this UI are the done. Need to go inside how to show here. Go inside here the main tabs, and we need to change this here. Set here the 2. And similar to UI, we need to show like this here, and we need to set here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.